My name is Anjali. Welcome to the free online course in English Grammar by Live and Learn. I hope you enjoy this lesson and I hope you find it useful. If you do, please like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this lesson with anybody that you know who might also be interested in improving their English by learning English grammar. Thank you. Let's move on to the lesson. Live and Learn free online course in English grammar. Lesson 30. Prepositions, Part 1. A preposition is a word used to show the connection of a noun or pronoun to another word in a sentence. It describes the relationship between the words. 1. 3 classes of prepositions. Prepositions show the relationship between two or more people, places, or things, or between something and a quality or attribute to which it is connected. Preposition means to put before, and prepositions are usually placed before nouns and pronouns in sentences. However, that is not always the case, so beware. There are over 100 prepositions in the English language, and they can all fit into several different categories depending on how they are used. Prepositions can be one word, 2 words, or a group of words. The nouns or pronouns that prepositions are linked to, or govern as it is called in grammar, are called their objects. Remember, a verb cannot be the object of a preposition. One. Simple prepositions. These are one-syllable words such as at, by, for, from, in, of, off, on, out, since, than, through, till, to, up, with. 2. Compound prepositions. These are words of 2 or more syllables, such as about, above, across, after, along, against, amidst, among, amongst, around, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, beyond, despite, down, during, inside, into, near, onto, opposite, outside, over, past, round, since, throughout, underneath, until, upon, via, within, without. 3. Phrase prepositions. These are groups of 2 or more words which are used together as prepositions. It is useful to understand which words actually go together in these cases. Examples of phrase prepositions. According to, in accordance with, ahead of, along with, apart from, as for, as well as, away from, because of, by dint of, by means of, by reason of, by virtue of, by way of, comfortably to, comfortably with, for the sake of, in addition to, in case of, due to, except for, in comparison to, in comparison with, in consequence of, in the course of, in favor of, in front of, in lieu of, in order to, in place of, in reference to, in regard to, inside of, in spite of, instead of, in the event of, near to, on behalf of, on account of, on top of, out of, outside of, owing to, such as, thanks to, up to, with a view to, with an eye to, with reference to, with regard to. 2. Categories of prepositions. Remember, most prepositions can fall into more than one category, depending on how they are used in a sentence. The examples that follow will show this clearly. The categories exist to help us to understand how to use prepositions correctly so that we can write or say exactly what we mean. 1. Place or space. These express physical relationships between people, animals, places or things, or link people, animals, places and things with an idea about something. Examples. The chicken walked across the road. Physical relationship between the noun chicken and the noun road. Stand by me. Idea of loyalty between friends. Their house is by the river. Physical relationship between the noun house and the noun river. Dinner is on the table. Physical relationship between the noun dinner and the noun table. She can't get over her ex-boyfriend. Idea of her being unable to let go emotionally of her ex-boyfriend. The balloon rose into the air. Spatial relationship between the noun balloon and the noun air. His head is in the clouds. Idea of him being a dreamer and ungrounded. 2. Time. These are used to express relationships between people, animals, places and things that are connected with time. Examples. We have to move out of our rented flat by the end of the month. The train leaves in an hour. The CEO will be free to meet you after 3 o'clock. The teacher has been employed by the school since 2003. Make sure that you are on time for your appointment with the doctor. 3. Agency, a means to an end. These link people, animals, places and things with the means that are used to do something. Examples. She cut her birthday cake with a new knife. The preposition with tells us that her means to the end of cutting the birthday cake was a new knife. They sent the parcel by courier. Their means to the end of sending the parcel was a courier. The forest was destroyed by fire. The forest was destroyed through the agency, meaning action or activity, of fire. 4. Manner. These link people, animals, places and things with the way in which something is done. Examples: the team played to win. The king fought the lion with all his might. Smitha won the tennis match with ease. The company operates in accordance with an ethical policy. The success of the event was due to everyone's hard work. Five. Cause, reason or purpose. These link people, animals, places or things with the reasons for which something is done, or with the cause or purpose of something that is done. Examples: the climate is changing because of pollution. Cause: we changed our plans due to our son's illness. Reason: Joseph joined the Peace Corps for the sake of humanity. Purpose: I need to buy a train ticket before all the seats are booked. Reason: Six. Measurement, rate, standard, value. These describe the relationships that people, animals, places and things have with expressions of value, measurement, rates and standards. Examples: inflation has gone up. Rate: the price of onions has come down lately. Value: don't take what Jeremy says at face value. Standard of truth: this means he is not telling the truth. Javed is taller than Hari by 3 inches. Measurement. 7. Contrast. These describe opposing relationships between people, animals, places, things, and situations. Examples: she went ahead with her decision in spite of her family's disapproval. She ignored the opposition from her family. Everyone liked Meena, except for her brother's best friend. He succeeded against all the odds. Eight. Inference, motive, origin. These describe the implications of, causes of, and reasons behind the relationships between people, animals, things, and situations. Examples: he helped his kindly old employer out of gratitude. Motive: the aliens came from Mars. Origin: rain is made of water. Origin: his life experience has enabled him to live comfortably with himself. Inference: his skill at football comes from practice. Inference: I think that man loitering in the dark alley is up to no good. Motive: that twinkle in your eye tells me you are up to something. Inference: it is inferred from the twinkle in your eye that you are doing or planning something in secret, i.e. up to something. In is of course a preposition of place here. The implication of this sentence is positive. He is doing or planning something nice. I think he is up to no good. The inference here is that he is secretly doing something criminal. So the implication is negative. Informal versus formal use. It is incorrect, according to the traditional rules of grammar, to end a sentence or a clause with a preposition. So please do not do that in formal or business writing, as it will give an overly informal impression. However, people do that all the time when speaking to each other, because the correct form can sound overly formal in conversation. It is also sometimes seen in blogs and articles written in informal styles. When a preposition is separated from the words that usually follow it, these are called the complement or complements of the preposition, depending on how many words there are. It is called prepositional stranding in grammar. Examples. To whom should I address this letter? Formal. Who should I address this letter to? Informal. Sometimes words can be left out of a sentence if the meaning is understood. In that case, we can use who, what, where, and when with a preposition. This is really only done in conversation and very informal writing. Examples. Rajesh said, I am going on holiday next month. Oh, where to? Ruby asked, meaning, where are you going? I am going out to buy a birthday present. Really? Who for? Meaning, for whom are you buying it? Well done! You have completed this lesson. If you enjoyed the lesson and you found it useful, please do like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you know anyone who is also interested in improving their command of English by learning English grammar, please share this video lesson with them. If you would like to buy the Live and Learn English Grammar textbook, you can buy it as an ebook or as a paperback from the Amazon website that serves your country of residence. There are some links in the description box below the video. The book does go deeper into aspects of grammar, and it also contains exercises with answers so you can monitor your own progress. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.